Please don't hang up on me, Mr. Scam.
Internal Revenue Service, how can I help you?
Yeah, I got a message from the IRS to call this number about legal papers, legal action. I don't know what the guy said.
Sir, first of all, can I know your first and last name?
My first name is Ronald, Ronald.
What's your last name?
Oh, McDonald, McDonald.
Can you verify me your street address?
3660 Gold Leaf Lane. That's in Newark, New Jersey.
And what is the zip code?
The zip is 07102.
Okay, just a second, sir. Let me pull out your records from my system.
Okay.
Okay, sir, let me tell you that there is a serious allegation and a lawsuit has been filed against you by Internal Revenue Service. Are you aware of the situation?
Well, no, no.
Okay, sir, as you're not aware of the situation, I will go ahead and read out the legal charges
Yeah,
against your name.
cat.
But before I do that,
Okay.
my name is Jessica Morris
Okay,
with my
Jessica.
batch ID number 25101992. My last name is Morris, Morris. You got it?
Got it.
Okay. You can write down your case ID number, that is IRC 897452.
897.
Sir, this is your phone number. It's 2016244765.
Yes.
Okay. Let me tell you, sir. As per the documents, we conduct a confidential audit on your tax file for the year of 2011 to 16, and we found that there was a miscalculation error for the taxes
Well,
that you filed.
2016, I just filed in April.
No, we are saying let me complete my part. I will give you a fair time to speak
What,
and ask your question to me.
what if I
Okay?
got. Okay,
As
go ahead.
As per the documents, we conduct a confidential audit on your tax file from the year of 2011 to 16.
Okay.
And we found that there was a miscalculation error for the taxes that you filed does not match the tax record that we have. Also make sure we are not talking about any one particular year, but here we are talking about the duration of those 5 years. Between those 5 years, we have just found out that there was some miscalculation or discrepancy on our your tax file. It does not mean to say that you're not filing your taxes or you're
Well, no,
not taking care of your taxes
I
on
know
time.
I file my taxes every year. You're right.
Yes, yes, sir. We do have your records in my system, and I can see very clearly that you are paying your taxes every year and also on time. But I'm talking about the miscalculation. You did not file actual amount to the IRS. You made some mistake while filing your taxes between those 5 years. Okay?
I don't know how that could have happened. I have my cousin
So,
Eddie.
sir,
My cousin Eddie does my taxes, and he's an accountant. I mean, how could he screw
mhm.
them up?
Sure, it is important to know that if someone else prepare your returns, you are ultimately responsible for all the information on tax return. We do not have any concern
Well,
whoever file your taxes on your behalf.
well, he did them. I
If they
just
make
signed
any
them.
mistake,
He does them for the
go ahead.
family. He did mine. He did Aunt Edna's. He did Uncle Lewis's, and
Mm-hmm.
they didn't get in trouble. I don't know how he screwed mine up.
Yes, we did a cross verification and we found that there was a mistake. So according to section 101, that amount is still outstanding on your name which you have not paid or that you have miscalculated. And for that reason, the local authorities with arrest warrant will come at your
What?
place. Your
Arrest
driving
warrant?
license will be cancelled
Arrest warrant for what?
because, sir, Before we provide you this call, we did try to reach you 2 times with two certified documentation
I
at your
never, I never
home.
got any letters. I never got
Yes, we
anything.
know that. Yes, we know that because it has bounced back to us as you are not present at
Well,
home.
if you sent them
Uh,
certified, they would have left a slip, and then I would have go down to
yes,
post office
let
and
me
get it.
complete my
But I
part.
didn't get no slip,
We
so how can you say I didn't get it? I don't understand.
just a second, sir. We do have a. We need signatures of yours on it because it was certified documentation. So be we were not allowed to leave those letters in your
No,
mailbox or in your
no.
doorstep because it was coming to an IRS.
They
So
leave a
we left
slip,
a yellow slip.
a yellow
We left
slip,
a
which
yellow
I never
slip
got, which I never got.
that please collect those letters from postal service. But we did not get reply from that part also. So IRS is thinking that you're trying to run away from the situation.
Run away?
That is the reason
You
the
called me at
arrest
my
warrant
house.
is
How could I be running away?
That is the reason the arrest warrant is issued on your name. As we saw, your past record is very neat and clean and you are paying your taxes.
Well,
We are
except for
looking
that,
that and
yeah, that,
recently you
yeah, that,
have paid your taxes also.
yeah.
We
Well,
have
that
saw
one
that.
DWI, but that doesn't count for taxes. I've been a little trouble here and there, but never with the
Yes.
IRS. I mean, there was that little thing. Yeah, it was a mistake I made,
So,
but okay.
so sir, at this point of time, we are giving a call that what is your intention. There is some amount pending under your name that is
What?
$8,250.
$8,250.
Yes, which includes your pending taxes, legal charges and late fees. So at this point of time, before we process any legal charges, we have not published this case yet and we are giving you a call. Usually IRS does not call people and they say, but as we saw your past record is neat and clean, that's why we are giving you a call, we are giving you a chance.
That's awfully nice.
So according to section 101, that amount is still outstanding on your name. As I said, it's $8,250. So as per the federal courthouse, there are two options available for you. If you think that there is nothing wrong with your taxes, you can hire an attorney
Hire a who?
and come to the court.
Hire a what?
You need you need to hire an attorney who can challenge the government inside the court. And make sure you need to hire an attorney, a criminal attorney who can challenge the government inside the court. You
Well,
need to come down to
I got a
Washington
criminal attorney.
DC.
Don't worry about that.
Yes. And the second thing is, sir, this is not your local or any state case. It has reached to federal courthouse of Washington D.C.
Well,
And let me tell you, all your papers work which we have tried to send you.
there's a
All
federal
those
courthouse
papers
right in
are
Trenton, New Jersey. Why would I go all the way to Washington?
because the reason is that, as I say to you, this is not your local or any state case.
No,
It
it's
has
a
reached the
federal
federal courthouse
courthouse.
of
It's a federal
Washington D.C.
courthouse in Trenton. Why would I have to go to a federal courthouse in Washington when I live in New
Because
Jersey?
all your papers work which we have tried to send you all are lying there. So you need to come down there because all which we have tried twice in your area, that is all lying on Washington DC. The second option you have, you can take care of the situation by paying this outstanding tax amount pending under your name, that is $8,250, and resolve this case outside the courthouse. So sir, what are you willing to do? You want to fight the case or you want to resolve this case? My senior officer is expecting some answer before they process with any legal charges.
Legal charges?
Yes.
For what?
So that's the reason I'm saying, once I need your answer, what you want to do. You want to fight for your rights? If you want to fight for your rights, you need to
Well,
hire
that's
an
part of
attorney
being
and
an
come to the
American,
court.
fighting for your rights.
And And if you want to resolve this case, you need to pay this outstanding tax amount which you owe to the government to
Well,
resolve this case
I don't,
outside the courthouse.
I don't get to see the audit or what it's. I mean, they could have made a mistake. What if they made the mistake and it's not my mistake or Eddie's mistake?
Who, what are you trying to say? That government is making mistake and the
It
one
could,
who is
it's
following
been.
your taxes is making the mistake?
I'm saying the government has made mistakes before. Why could this be
We
a
did a
mistake on
cross
their part?
verification, sir. We
A
did a
cr-
cross verification and we find a mistake on it. We did a cross verification.
well, I'd like to see that cross verification. I'd like to see that so I can see if you're
So,
right or I'm right. I mean, that's only fair, I think.
okay, no problem, sir. For those documents which we have tried to send you are lying on Washington, D.C. I gave you your case ID number. You can give to your attorney and come down to Federal Courthouse and give that
Well,
case ID number and they will provide you the letters which we have tried to
my,
send you. And in those letters, we have mentioned where and when you have done the mistake.
I know that my attorney won't be able to go. He's got a case here in Trenton, Wayne Kerr, and from the Kerr law firm, and he can't represent me now if he's busy on another case. I
Hmm.
mean, Wayne Kerr's a good
But
a good attorney too, but I guess I'll just have to. How I don't have $8,000.
sir, what we can do is that once we resolve this case outside the courthouse, where we do understand that you're living in New Jersey and it's very difficult for you to come down to Washington, D.C. So what we can do is, once you resolve this case outside the courthouse, we will set an appointment with one of our legal tax advisor. He will come down to your doorstep or he will arrange a meeting and he will bring all those papers along with him which we have tried to send you and show you where and when you have done the mistake. We can do that for you if you want to resolve this case outside the courthouse.
Well, I don't
Or
want to
if you
go to
want to
no
find...
courthouse, so I guess I got to do it. But I don't have $8,000. I mean, I'm not rich. I'm not a rich man.
Okay, so in that case, what you can do is you can make as a partial payment. But the thing is that I need to know how much amount do you have that you can pay to the government now, and the rest of amount we can give you some time when the legal advisor tomorrow morning or till the end of the day, tomorrow he will set an appointment. You can talk to him and you can tell him that you don't have that much amount and he can give you some time
Okay.
for that.
What time you think you'll call me? Because
Yes,
I'll be home in the morning.
morning, okay.
Okay.
But now, as today is your last due date, so I want to know what is the amount you have that you can pay to the IRS and cancel the rest warrant and the rest of amount we can give you some time for that.
Well, I got probably $800.
$800. In that case, as we saw your past record is clean, I will transfer this call to one of my senior officer and see if something can work out for you, okay?
Well, I thought I was supposed to give it to the guy tomorrow.
Sorry?
Wasn't I supposed to pay the guy tomorrow when he comes with the paperwork?
No, 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 no.
Oh,
We
oh,
are
oh.
not allowed to take any personal information or we are not allowed to take directly money like that, okay? Because
Well, how
please
am I
make
supposed
sure
to
that
pay it?
this...
How do you pay your
Yes, just a
taxes
second.
if you don't take money?
Just a second.
What do you
Just a
take?
second. Just a second.
Okay.
This is a federally monitored and recorded line. Whatever we are talking, my senior officer are listening to this conversation.
Well, good
So,
for him.
yes. So one of our officer, today is your last due date, as I said to you. You need to pay that money today itself. So one of our officer, he will guide you how and where you can go and pay that amount. Okay?
Okay.
So should I transfer this call to one of my senior officers?
Get out of here. That stupid cat.
Hello?
Yeah, this stupid cat's going crazy here. Wait a minute. Get out. Get out of here.
Hello?
I'm here. I'm here. This stupid cat.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let
Should
me
I
talk to the
transfer
other guy. Yeah, transfer me to the other guy.
Yeah. Okay, okay.
You have been transferred to the officer. This is the Chief Investigation Officer. As you already talked to one of my representative, I believe she already explained you each and everything regarding this issue.
Yeah,
Now
yeah.
you can let me know you want to resolve the case or you want to fight the case against the IRS.
Well, apparently I can't fight it, so I'm not going to Washington D.C. to fight it. So, and my attorney Wayne Kerr is not available. So I guess I got to do something now, or they're going to arrest me. Apparently.
Okay, then for that you have to put down something today as an freezing amount so we can unfreeze the case file and we will stop this legal mess.
Okay.
Can you let me know how much you can put down from the
I
total
told
amount?
I told her 800.
800. Now, do you have 800 in cash or you have in your account?
No, it's cash.
You have the cash?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the second thing is that you are not allowed to make the payment directly to the government, directly from any kind of your personal
Who
assets,
do I give it to?
as there is investigation going on.
Who do I give it to?
As well as we are not
The
allowed to take
mailman?
down any kind of your personal information like your credit card, debit card, or any kind of banking information, as this is a federally monitored and recorded line.
Yeah. So what I got to do?
So you have to go through the process which is called EFTPBS.
What?
In that process, actually, you have to convert this amount
What
into
does
the
that mean?
electronic payment bonds.
CTPBS. What's that mean?
It's electronic payment bonds.
Okay, you never heard of it, but okay.
I will guide you how you can do that if you are not familiar with that process.
Okay.
Now, do you have any kind of store nearby your place like Target
No.
or Best Buy?
No.
No, you don't have. Then you have to fly down to the Washington D.C. to make the payment.
Well, isn't there another kind of
Otherwise,
store I can go to? I mean, I got Walmart.
no Walmart. I'm sorry.
Walmart? No, Walmart. Why, you are the foolish scammer I ever heard of. Everybody lets you
Hey,
go to
idiot.
Walmart, you scamming
Motherfucker.
bastard.